Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your VAIO failed to start Windows. The operating system was not found on Sony VAIO laptop. To fix the error operating system not found on Sony VAIO, you can follow the video. Steps: shut down laptop by holding the power button on the keyboard, then start laptop by holding the power button or assist button on the keyboard. The laptop will automatically go to VAIO care and same position mode of Sony VAIO. If I turn off the laptop and turn it on again, the same problem shows your VAIO failed to start Windows. The operating system was not found, then choose Start BIOS Setup. Then after entering BIOS Setup, then choose the tab Boot on the menu. Here you need to get into boot configuration under Go to Boot Mode, and you can see the current is UEFI boot option. Press enter and choose legacy option to change the value. Save all that have changed by select the F10 on your keyboard and click the Yes button. After doing yes, the laptop will restart. After saved all changes, you can exit VAIO care mode by choosing Exit and Restart from Windows option. See for yourself that the computer boots without any problem. You can fix this problem through this video. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubts related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If the computer is still the same problem, be sure to visit a computer expert or a nearby computer repair shop. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.